Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to use the data table feature in Excel specially for financial calculation like EMI, accumulated monthly installment. So friends, what is a data table? A data table is a powerful tool in Excel found under that what if analysis section. So friends, this is especially useful in financial analysis such as calculating loan payments, interest rate, or investment returns. So friends, example EMI calculation. Let's take an example. So where we want to take a loan of 1 lakh. So we will repay the loan over 24 months with an annual interest rate of 7%. So friends, now we want to calculate how much we need to pay every month. This is called EMI, right friends? So step by step, using the PMT function, we will use the PMT function, that is payment function in Excel, to calculate the EMI. So here you can see the blank cell and type here equal to PMT. Select this. Rate of interest, that is 7 divided by 12, which means convert the annual interest rate into a monthly rate. Put comma, that is NPER, that is total number of month to repay the loan, that is this cell. Put comma, negative sign. Now PV stand for, that is present value. Select this cell, the loan value, and hit enter button. So now friends, you can see the value that how much we need to pay for installation per month, right? That is 4,477 rupees the 26, right? So now friends, I hope you understand till now. I think you are clear till this. So now suppose we want to know the monthly and yearly EMI for different loan amount like 1 lakh to up to 15 lakh. So for that, what we have to do, first we need to take a reference, right? So just type here equal to and click this cell and hit enter button. So friends, why I am taking this value as a reference? Because if you are not taking this as a reference, you will not get the proper output. All right, so for that, what we have to do this, now we need to select cell from here to here, and now go to the data tab, and here you can see what if analysis. Just click on and choose to data table, and now here you can see this row input cell, that is 24 months, just like this. And here column input cell is, that is the loan amount, that is 1 lakh. Just click this cell and click OK. So friends, now you can see that yearly and monthly wise how much you need to pay per month. So friends, this is how you can use data table. So friends, I hope you understand. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Bye friends.